Okay, moment of truth here.
Bruh.
Yo, what's up guys? It's been a while since I posted a video, so I wanted to make this real quick and let you know what I've been up to for these last couple weeks. So, I've been making music a ton, both on and off stream, twitch.tv/JonTheForestTV, by the way. And that means I've got an EP in the works and a single that'll probably drop around the beginning of 2021, so watch out for that one. But also, something really huge just happened. A song called Zombie Apocalypse by LilyPichu just came out, and I got to work on that with her and TJ Brown, so yeah, if you haven't heard it, you should probably go check that out. The link's in the description. And the last thing is that I'm moving, which is happy and sad at the same time. But before that happens, I want to show you guys around my space because I love this room and I worked really hard on it. So let's go. So this is the bedside of the room. I'll start here because it's the background of my streams that you see all the time. So I've got really cool lights. They're called Yeelight, smart light bulbs from China. They can do this. Turn on regular lights. Turn lamp blue. See, isn't that pretty cool? Isn't that dope? It's kind of hard to see with the other lighting, so we'll go with this. So we'll start up here. As you can see, I've been a gamer for a really long time. From Xbox to the 360 to GameCube to the Wii to the Wii U to the Switch and N64 too, of course. This is pretty sick. This is an original, unopened platinum GameCube controller. If anyone has any idea how much this would be worth, let me know. I even got 2 GameCubes right here. Love these things. I've had probably like 17 of these, but I take them to tournaments and they break or get lost or something. There's even this DJ Hero thing that I got as a gift but never played. Here are my knickknacks. Little Star Fox, little stickers, Sasuke Uchiha. I stole this from my sister. I got this from Japan. This is cool. There's like some candy in here. Candy. Let's have one. Sour. That's Ty from Digimon, the first season. The best leader of all the Digidestined, in my opinion. This is a picture of me and my friends from when we went to go do this like virtual reality Star Wars thing, which was really fun. This thing's supposed to light up, but it doesn't because it needs batteries or power or something. And it says go outside because gamers need to be reminded to go outside sometimes. Got a little dream catcher action right here, so no more nightmare, right, Michael Reeves? Beer! Good for what ails you. It's punny, and it's true. Guys, you know I love craft beer. I've got a collection of like really important beers that I've acquired over time. This one down here is the best one. It's only down here because it doesn't fit on the other shelves. But I won this in a raffle with my roommate, which is really cool because this is a really rare and expensive beer. It's what year is this? 2015? Yeah, 2015 Bourbon County Brand Stout, rare edition. Also, here's a poster of the beer family, lagers and ales. It's pretty dope. Next up is my closet. Believe it or not, this is a closet. But before I open it for you, I want to show you these things. These are actually my badges for various events. Mostly Smash tournaments. Like I went to Evo like 3 times. I went to Paragon. There's my tag, Jose Ole. Ole, 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 ole. Genesis 3. There's Genesis 4 in there somewhere. TwitchCon 2019. RIP TwitchCon 2020. Really wanted to go this year. Oh well. I really like Melee, or Smash, you know? Like even check this out. Got this art over here is all Melee art. I think the artist name is Moxie2D. That's a disc plate, by the way, that I won from my friend TJ Brown's stream, playing Name That Tune. But anyway, here's the closet. It's nothing special. It's just a closet with my clothes and stuff. And shoes that I don't wear as often. And a mirror. Oh, also, down there I drilled a hole in the ground, then I crawled underneath the house and fed this Ethernet cable to go from the other side of the house underneath these rugs all the way to my desk setup.
John, what's going on here?
I'm going under the house.
What are you gonna do?
For I'll to route an Ethernet cable from the living room to my closet.
Is the internet worth it?
It will be.
It's gonna go down there. That is not a lot of space at all. Ugh, gross.
Dude, also like, this thing sucks.
Yeah.
Oh god, the hood's gonna get in my way. I do planks when I go to the gym. Because I've been planking this whole time.
Yeah, dude. Ow. Crazy. Here, hand me the flashlight. Can't believe you did that. That's so cool. You got it, man. Don't get your arm caught. Hello, John.
Hello.
How are you?
Tired.
Woo. Good job, bro.
Easy clap.
End of flashback.
One of the coolest parts about this room, actually, is this wall right here, which is solid brick. This is also so cool. My roommates Charlie and Alex got me this for Christmas last year, and with the flick of a switch, it turns on, just like that. I was gonna put it in the background of my stream, like above my lamp over there, but against the white background, it didn't really look nice, so it got kind of stuck over here. Also, for some reason, there's a fireplace in this room. Like, what? There isn't any windows. Like, look around. Look around me. There's no windows. No windows. If something burns in here, I die. I can't escape. I'm dead. But there's a fireplace. So I've never turned it on, but maybe today, for you guys, I'll turn it on. All right, I got the key. I got a fire extinguisher for safety. Okay, moment of truth here. Let me just turn this thing. Holy. Oh my god! That is so loud! And it's so hot! Why? Why would you even do that? Alright, let's turn this off. The thing just went off! Oh my god! What? Shut up! Shut up! Stop it! It's fine! There's no fire! It's fine. It's okay. Shh. Shh. Oosfraba. Alright, well, that was stressful. Why would you have a fireplace in a room when it just sets off the alarm like that? Now I'm hot. I'm sweaty. It smells like gas. Never again. And finally is my desk setup. So let's start with the obvious. Here is my late 2014 5K Retina display 27-inch iMac. And a lot of you guys are probably gonna make fun of me for having a Mac, but I love these things. I've used them for 10 years. They allow me to use Logic, this program, which is the thing I use to make all my music. I just use a regular Apple keyboard and mouse with it. Nothing special. This is my Claret 2 Pre, which I connect to my speakers, my microphones, and the guitars when I'm recording. My speakers, or studio monitors, which are precariously placed on these yoga blocks, are Atom A7Xs, which I got for a really good price from this British dealer. I basically got them for 3/4 the price, which is definitely worth because they sound so good. I don't mind the cables, but down here I've got a Yamaha HS10W subwoofer to go with my Atoms. The main mic I use for vocals is the AKG C414, which is great for music, but not the best for streaming, but you know, gotta use what you got. I also have this old AKG Perception 220, which I use mostly as a room mic if I have guests on stream and stuff like that. I also have a Yamaha MG10XU USB mixer, which I use for streaming. My main PC monitor is the ViewSonic XG2702, which is 144 Hz. It's pretty good. And also I have this secondary monitor, which doesn't work right now. It's just a random Samsung 24-inch. It's nothing special. I do have this other webcam, the C920, which I use for backup. Tucked back here is my Nintendo Switch and my Akitio hard drive enclosure, which is basically my archive. We've got my boom stand, which doubles as a hat holder and headphone holder. By the way, this is my headphone of choice, the DT7070 Pro by Biodynamic. I have an entire box of headphones that I don't use anymore here too. Guests that need headphones, I got you covered. Over here we got my random Alesis V25 keyboard, which I don't recommend. Penny board, we got some GameCube controllers, there's Alexa. Say hi, Alexa.
Hello.
Can't forget my dope gaming chair, which is definitely super comfortable and not loud and not 10 years old. I've also got a HyperX Alloy FPS keyboard with Cherry MX Brown switches, as well as a Logitech G703 wireless mouse, which charges while wired, so that's pretty cool. And finally, my pre-built Nzxt Pc, which for some reason is completely underperforming. It shuts off randomly. It only gives me 2 FPS when I'm streaming. It can't run games basically anymore. So I'm sending it back to Nzxt actually with this box right here. And hopefully by the time it gets to my new place, it'll be all fixed. Also, all around the room, I've got these panels that I made myself. They're full of insulation. Even this forest thing right here is basically just those panels dressed up in a forest decor. They look great and they improve the sound. I even got one above me, which helps from reflections on the desk. Speaking of the desk, actually, it's an IKEA desk and it's glossy, which means I can write little notes on it like a whiteboard. Subscribe. And these are my 2 favorite hot sauces, sriracha obviously, and this white truffle infused hot sauce that my roommate got me for my birthday. Right now I've got 5 guitars, a Mexican made Strat, an Epiphone Dot, a Jaguar bass, as well as 2 acoustic guitars, this electric acoustic Ibanez, which is missing a string, I know, and this LAG, what is it called? Traumatane. It's not actually mine, it's my friend Rob's, but he's been leaving it here, so I've been using it. Also tucked away over here, I've got some Cheez-Its, also an amp, a guitar amp that I'm probably going to sell, just random storage full of guitar cables, computer cables, blah blah blah. I got a djembe from that I got from Bangkok, Thailand, I'm pretty sure, as well as this walking stick that I took all the way to the top of Mount Fuji. Oh, I almost completely forgot. This is my Canon Rebel T2i, which I use as my main webcam, and also the camera that filmed this entire video. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Also let me know if you want to see more of this IRL content. Still experimenting a lot on this channel. Anyway guys, I'll see you in the next one. Later!
4 to 6 weeks later.
Alright, it's done. The entire room is empty. There's nothing left. It's so sad. It's empty. I'm leaving this cable, one from under the house. I'm not going back down there. And yeah, goodbye old room. I'll see you probably never again. Stupid fireplace. Alright, here's all my stuff. Check it out. All up in this U-Haul. Half-ass moving vlog. Let's go.